Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the cube roots of -1. Solution. Let x be the cube root of -1. That is, x equals to cube root of -1. Taking cubes on both sides in order to remove this cube root. Taking cubes on both sides. Taking cubes on both sides. So we can write it as x cube equals to -1 cubic root of -1 whole cube. This cube root cancel with this cube. We get x cube equals to -1. Shift -1 to the left side. We get x cube plus 1 equals to 0. Now if we remember, we have a formula that is a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So we will expand this. So we can write it as x cube plus 1 cube equals to 0. Now by the formula we get x plus 1 x square minus x into 1 plus 1 square equals to 0. Further we can write it as x plus 1 x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. Now take x plus 1 equals to 0 and x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. Shift 1 to the right side, it become -1. Here applying quadratic formula for its solution. So the x square coefficient is 1, which is a. The x coefficient is -1, which is b, and the constant term c is 1 here. Using quadratic formula, we have formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Put the values here. Minus the b value is -1 plus minus under the root -1 square, and here -4. The a value is 1 and the c value is also 1. Divided by 2, the a value is 1. This is only minus sign. So we get here minus into minus plus 1 plus minus under the root 1 minus 4 whole over 2. Minus 1 square we get 1. Further we can write it as 1 plus minus 1 minus 4, we get -3 under the root divided by 2. X equals to 1 plus minus under root 3, and this -1 under root equals to iota divided by 2. Now take -1 common from here, so it will become -1, and the minus will become plus, and the plus will become again minus iota under the root 3 divided by 2. So now we can write it as x equals to -1 plus iota under root 3 divided by 2, and x equals to minus 1 minus iota under root 3 over 2. So x equals to minus 1 plus iota under root 3 divided by 2 equals to omega, and minus this is omega square. Hence the cube root of minus 1 or 1 is this minus 1, the other is this omega, minus omega and minus omega square. Hence the cube roots of minus 1 are minus 1 minus omega square. Now the cube root of 8, let x be the cube root of 8, that is x equals to cube root of 8, taking cubes on both sides, so we can write it as x cubes equals to cube root of 8 whole cube. This cube root cancel with this, we get x cube equals to 8. Shift 8 to the left side, it will become x cube minus 8 equals to 0. We can write it as x whole cube minus 2 whole cube equals to 0. Now expand it by a cube minus b cube formula, so we get x minus 2 x square plus x into 2 plus 2 cube equals to 0. X minus 2, and this become x square plus 2x plus this is square, 2 square 4 equals to 0. Now take x minus 2 equals to 0 and x square plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. X equals to 2, shift 2 to the right side, and here the a value is 1, the b value is 2 and the c value is 4. Using quadratic formula, we have x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Put the values here. X equals to minus 2 plus minus under the root 2 square minus 4, a value is 1, the c value is 4 whole over 2, the a value is 1, minus 2 plus minus under the root 4 minus 4 4s are 16 divided by 2. X equals to minus 2 plus minus under the root minus 12 divided by 2. Now look, 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So take 1 2 out of the root. Here remains 3 under the root. And also we know that here is minus, so minus, when we take it out, it becomes iota. So we can write it as minus 2 plus minus iota 2 iota. 1 2 is here and here remains 3 divided by 2. Now take iota 2 common, so we can write it as minus 1 plus minus iota under the root 3 divided by 2. Don't cancel these two. Okay, write it as x equals to 2 minus 1 plus iota under root 3 by 2, and x equals to 2 minus 1 minus iota under the root 3 divided by 2. Now look, this is omega minus 1 plus iota under root 3 by 2, and this is omega square. So here we get x equals to 2 omega, and here we get x equals to 2 omega square. So the cube root of 8r x equals to 2, one this, the other one is 2 omega and 2 omega square. So the cube roots of 8 are 2 omega, 2 omega square. Part third, find the cube root of minus 27. Let x be the cube root of minus 27, that is x equals to cube root of minus 27, taking cube on both sides. So here x cube we get, and this cube root cancel with this cube, so we get minus 27. Shift minus 27 to the left side, it become plus 27, which can be written as 3 whole cube. Now this is formula, we can write x plus 3x square minus x into 3 plus 3 square. Further we get x plus 3, here x square minus 3x 3 square equals to 9. Now shift this 3 to the right side, it become x equals to minus 3, and using quadratic formula, here the a value is 1, the b minus 3, and the c is 9. Putting the values in the formula, here minus 3 plus minus under the root minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 9 divided by 2 into 1, the a value is. Now minus into minus plus 3 plus minus under the root minus 3 whole square, we get 9, and 9 fours are minus 36 minus 36 plus 9, we get minus 27. Now this 27 can be written as 3 3s are 9 and 3 are 27, so 1 3 will be taken out, and this minus when we get we take it out, it becomes iota, and here remains under root 3 by 2. Now take 3 common, minus 3 common. Why? In order to get here minus 1. Now look, minus into minus, we get plus 3, and this plus will become minus, and minus will become plus iota under root 3 divided by 2. So here we can write it as x equals to minus 3 minus 1 plus iota under the root 3 divided by 2, and x equals to minus 3 minus 1 minus iota under root 3 by 2. So x equals to minus 3, this is omega, and x equals to minus 3 minus 1 minus iota under root 3 by 2 is omega square. Hence we get the one root minus 3, the other minus 3 omega, and the other one minus 3 omega square. So the cube roots of minus 27 are minus 3 omega and minus 3 omega square. Solve example 4 and 5 on page 25 as your homework.